Hello everybody, and welcome to our third section of Chapter 8, Multiplying Polynomials. Previously, you have learned about multiplying a monomial times a polynomial, and the rules are basically the same. You're going to be, multiplying your coefficients and adding your exponents. However, you're going to be doing it more than just one time per expression. So, anytime you want to multiply two binomials, then what you're going to do is you're going to use the distributive property. Binomials can be multiplied horizontally or vertically, so it's whichever way you like. I'm going to show you actually the horizontal method. This is probably the most common method of doing it. So if we do the horizontal method, what we're going to be doing is you're going to take this y is going to be multiplied by both items in your second set of parentheses. But then we're also going to be multiplying your 8 times your other two terms as well. So we're going to take 8 times your y times your y, and that will give you a y squared. And then we're going to take y times a -4, which will also multiply. Y times -4 gives us a -4y. And then we need to multiply our terms in the middle. So you also have to use the distributive property on your 8 times your y, which gives you an 8y. And then we're going to multiply 8 times the -4, which is going to give us a -32. Now, it would be great if we were done with our problem at this point. However, what we must do is you must combine any terms that are similar. So you have a y squared, you have a y, you have a y, and you don't have any y's. So these middle two terms can be combined, but do not add all three terms. So we're going to rewrite our y squared, and then we're going to add your -4y and your 8y, so that will give you a +4y. So that goes in the middle, and then your -32 just gets rewritten because that is it's all by itself. So that is how we're going to multiply our first two binomials. Let's try example B. Same idea. I always like to show my multiplication arrows, so I always draw these in here. If you get stuck and are having trouble doing these problems, then I would recommend drawing your arrows. So we're going to take 2x times your x, but when you take a 2x times an x, you get a 2x squared. Now you also have to remember to multiply 2x times your 6. So this term has to be multiplied by both terms in your other set of parentheses. So that will give us a 12x, not a 4. That looks like a 4. It's going to bug me. So we're going to make this a positive 12x. Now you have to do the same thing with the distributive property with your 1. You have to take 1 times the x, and then that is going to give you just a 1x. And then you're going to take the 1 times the 6. So 1 times the 6 just gives you a 6. So if we combine these together, this will end up giving us a 2x squared plus, we can combine the two terms in the middle. That gives us a 13x, and we're going to write our final answer in standard form. That way we can keep them in descending order. Here you go. That is how you multiply two binomials times each other.